Welcome to Casablanca, a magnificent single-level gated mansion that is privately owned and hidden behind security gates in the exclusive Country Club Estates neighborhood of Westlake Village. You are welcomed into the house by soaring trade ceilings and an abundance of natural light that shines through the 10 tall double-front etched glass doors. 3 sets of 15 tall French doors lead to the formal living room, which has 18 tall ceilings, a sizable fireplace, and lovely views of the golf course. A dedicated home office with custom built-ins, 2 primary suites with en-suite bathrooms and walk-in closets, a library/study with a courtyard garden that has a zen-like atmosphere, a formal dining room with French doors leading to an outdoor dining area, a large chef's kitchen with a center island, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances, including a dual freestanding Sub-Zero refrigerator and freezer, all opening to the roomy family room with a fireplace, are additional features. This exquisite contemporary home is waiting for the most discriminating buyer in a prime location at the end of a cul-de-sac on a meticulously maintained 2.41-acre lot with stunning views of the second fairway of the North Ranch Country Club Lakes course and the surrounding mountains. The covered verandas that run the length of the house overlook the lovely and private outdoor entertaining areas, with a pebble-finished pool/spa, stone decking, BBQ island, mature trees, landscaping, and of course tranquil golf course and mountain views. This home truly offers California indoor/outdoor living. Minutes from Westlake Village Center, this tranquil retreat must be visited to be truly appreciated.